We are trying to find the largest integer, n, such that 1 over 2 to the n is greater than 0.01. Well, I like fractions in most cases, so I'm going to change that to the right-hand side to a fraction. This is 1/10, and then this position is the hundredths. That THS, hundredths. So that is 1 over 100. Now with inequalities, if you flip them, if you do the reciprocal of each one, it reverses the inequality symbol. So let's figure out what's the largest value of n that will make 2 to the n less than 100. So I've got 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64, times 2 is 128. Well, this is larger than 100. So how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want n to equal 6.